Welcome, today in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll all the way down to the system section. Here, if you got activated the developer options, the last section will be the developer options, but if not, the last section will be backup and restore. Now just click here to developer options, and to hide them, click here once on the switcher. And as you can see, all of the options they are blocked right now. And now if we'll go back, you can see that developer options section is hide. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.